Did you know that nearly half of all pregnancies in the United States are unintended? Effective contraceptive counseling helps individuals make informed choices about birth control, reducing unplanned pregnancies, and improving reproductive health. In this video, we'll explore different contraceptive methods, their effectiveness, myths, and the importance of choosing the right option. Contraceptive methods are classified based on their effectiveness. First-tier methods are the most effective and includes long-acting reversible contraceptives and sterilization. Pregnancy rate 1 per 100 women in the first year. Minimal user effort, long-lasting protection. Includes male and female sterilization, intrauterine devices, IUDs. Contraceptive implants. LARC methods are safe for adolescents and recommended by ACOG and AAP. Second-tier methods are hormonal contraceptives, pills, injections, patches, and rings. They are more effective with perfect use, but missed doses reduce reliability. Apart from its contraceptive benefit, it can also regulate cycles, reduces cramps and acne. But users must take doses at scheduled intervals for effectiveness. Third-tier methods include barrier and awareness methods, less effective due to human error. Barrier methods like male and female condoms also protect against sexually transmitted diseases. Other two methods in the third tier are withdrawal and fertility tracking. Fourth tier, spermicidal preparations. These are least effective with a failure rate of 28% per year, often used with barrier methods for added protection. Emergency contraception should be used with caution. I've seen many people relying on emergency pills after every unprotected intercourse, but remember, these are meant for emergencies only. They help prevent pregnancy after unprotected sex, but are not a substitute for regular birth control methods. They do not replace combined contraceptive pills. Frequent use can disrupt your menstrual cycle and is far less effective than routine contraception. Always choose a reliable method for long-term protection. Ovulation may be irregular during perimenopause, but pregnancy is still possible. Women over 40 have a higher rate of unintended pregnancies than you might think. Plus, hormonal contraception can help manage perimenopausal symptoms. So when is it truly safe to stop using contraception? Only after completing 1 full year without periods to confirm menopause. Let's break down the pros and cons of different contraceptive methods. First tier, the most effective options. Long-acting methods like IUDs, implants, and sterilization offer high effectiveness with minimal maintenance, but they require a healthcare provider and sterilization is permanent. Second tier, hormonal contraceptives. These regulate cycles, improve acne, and are non-invasive. However, they must be taken consistently and may cause side effects. Third tier, barrier and awareness methods. Condoms protect against STIs and natural methods involve no hormones. But user error reduces effectiveness and withdrawal is highly unreliable. Fourth tier, spermicidal preparations easily available over the counter, but they are the least effective and may cause irritation. So choosing the right method is key. What works best for you? Let's bust some common myths about contraception and fertility. Myth 1. Birth control pills cause infertility. Fact. Fertility returns quickly after stopping contraception. Myth 2. IUDs are only for women who have given birth. Fact. IUDs are safe and effective for all women, including adolescents. Myth 3. Condoms are 100% effective at preventing pregnancy. Fact. Typical use failure rate is about 13% due to incorrect use. Myth 4. The withdrawal method is reliable. Fact. It has a high failure rate of 22% because pre-ejaculate may contain sperm. Myth 5. Emergency contraception causes abortion. Fact. It prevents pregnancy before implantation and does not cause abortion. Myth 6. You can't get pregnant while breastfeeding. Fact. Ovulation can still occur, making pregnancy possible. Myth 7. Older women can't get pregnant. Fact. Fertility continues until menopause. Myth 8. Hormonal contraceptives cause major weight gain. Fact. Most modern contraceptives do not cause significant weight gain. Myth 9. IUDs or implants can move to other parts of the body. Fact. They stay in place unless incorrectly inserted. Myth 10. Natural family planning methods don't work. Fact. With proper tracking, fertility awareness methods can be effective. Knowing the facts helps you make the right choices for your health. Contraceptive counseling ensures informed choices. Speak to your healthcare provider to determine the best option for you. Subscribe for more. Have questions? Drop them in the comments.